Today I'm kicking off something a little different. We've pulled together the top 20 Sora 2 clips, moments that made us cheer, laugh, and sometimes even gasp. Think of it as a highlight reel from the whole community.
Captain, keep your hands on the wheel! You almost wiped out 3 cars back there! Put it in park, now!
I'm sorry, officer,
Don't move, door's locked?
Unlock it.
Right now!
Get a ticket again.
Hey! Stop the car! Unit 12, suspect just...
See, SpongeBob? It saves me money, and it never asks for a raise.
Then neither will anyone else.
Hi, I'm Mario.
Hi, Mario.
And, I'm addicted to mushrooms. Power-ups, one-ups, big, small.
I tell myself it's just to save the princess, but I keep eating them even...
We still need to fix the relationship.
Mamma mia, I'm just a plumber.
Look, Super Mario World Happy Meal. I got Yoshi. His tongue really pops out.
4 Nintendo toys, 1 in every Happy Meal, only at McDonald's for a limited time.
Yo, I crawl out the bowl like a ghost in the pipes. Yeah, lil' bro, but I own the hype. Mario, you a hero? Man, that's pretend. You only jump high cause I'm holding the wrench.
Sora 2 you showed me is impressive, but it's leaning heavily on Nintendo's assets. The character models, the music cues, it's all recognizably theirs.
They say it's transformative and non-commercial. Do you really think Nintendo would mind the copyright issue as it is transformative? It's a different context and it's adding something new, so I feel like they'd see it that way.
Pikachu. Tired of being the one getting caught? Switch things up with HumanGo. Track them down, swipe to capture, and add your very own humans to the decks. From baristas to skateboarders, the city's full of new friends.
We'll sue you!
Skibidoo, skibida, I'm a CEO in a porcelain spa. Skibidoo, skibida, yes, that's me. Running AI from the back, can't stop. Head above water, flush that tune. Everybody bouncing, Sam in the room.
So if you enjoy conversations about where AI is headed and want to keep up with what we're building, do me a favor, tap that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps more people find these videos and it lets me know you want more of this kind of content. I'll be back.
I have a dream that I'm never going to give you up, never going to let you down, never going to run around and desert you.
Quick thing, if you want an invite code, head over to franklinh.com. It's just my little site for updates. You'll see this page, drop your email in the newsletter box, tap join, and we'll send codes out as they become available. Easiest way to stay in the loop. So go to...
All right, team, let's bring up that cadence. Every walk counts. These GPUs are thirsty. Keep those pedals smooth. Find your rhythm. We're sitting at 200 watts already. Fans are spinning. Cars lighting up. Push through that resistance. Last climb. 3.
I get to show you something we've been cooking up literally. These are our new state-of-the-art GPUs. They power ChatGPT's next leap toward AGI, and they're made from potatoes. Each one has a custom board, a tiny fan,
Let's just add a little bit of sky right up here. Let it drift wherever it wants to live.
I really don't think this is... I didn't agree
and maybe a happy little tree right along the jawline. Trees love company.
No, I have to go to work after this.
There we
can't
go.
just...
All right, customization screen. Let's just get this over with. A mohawk? Really? That's what you went with? Okay, wait. Why am I in armor now? I'm not storming a castle. I'm running a company. Oh, great! Glowy sci-fi spandex. Perfect. Totally me. You did not just...
Contact with the crinkle fry. Burger specimen looks promising. Cheese, meat, vegetation. Juicy, salty, harmonious, approved.
You're looking live at Skyview 9. That is, yes, Ronald McDonald behind the wheel, or the sesame wheel, I guess, of what appears to be a motorized hamburger. He's been clocked at over...
Wing number 6, Scorpion Sting, clocking in at 350,000. You ready?
Bring the fire, mortal. By the blizzards, that's blazing.
You good? You're kind of
He's literally turning into water.
All right, Morty, Pixel Universe, same rules, except everything wants to turn you into crafting materials.
Yeah, that doesn't sound like same rules.
Relax, you just gotta keep your health bar full and don't stare at the tall purple guys. Easy.
Sora Blockbuster. Every case in here is a movie generated by Sora. It's like stepping back in time, but everything on the shelves is brand new. You can see the range, sci-fi, documentaries, comedies, all made in minutes by the model. These aisles down first, let it coat the skillet. Pickles go in like we're building a stack of pancakes. Here comes the batter. Listen to that sizzle. Sweet and sour already mingling. Golden. Let's plate it. Ready?
It tastes like a carnival inside a jar.
All right, let's get rolling. We're in the Waymo Jaguar I-Pace mod tonight, and it is so smooth. Listen to that little electric whine. I'm gonna hang a left here, let the autopilot kick in for a second. There we go.
Huh, that's weird. Wait a sec. Whoa, hold up. Yeah, there it is. Perfect. I'm in a simulation. OpenAI Sora 2, huh? Clever little code monkeys think they can bottle me up.
Close to 60,000 subscribers, and I would love your help getting there. If If you enjoy these videos and want to support the channel, hit that red subscribe button right below the video. It just takes a second and it makes a huge difference. YouTube, quick favor, please don't demonetize this video. It's just me talking to the camera. No music, no clips, nothing sketchy. I've kept the language clean, followed the rules. It's all pretty wholesome content. So if you could leave the little green icon right where it is, Haven't you been scrolling enough for one day?